Namaste, this is JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take a very important module of applications of mass transfer theory. This is related with the concept of the mass transfer, and this module is a part of the course simulation and modeling and simulation of bioprocess of the course under the program of BTech FBT 6th semester and BSc FST 6th semester of the university, and it is a very important part of the concept of mass transfer and useful in various kind of the phenomena of engineering and the other medical purposes and various other fields, the chemical industries, and so many different fields are there in which this process just is applied. Even our body is an example of the just phenomena of the transformation of our mass from one place to another. So just what is mass transfer? Mass transfer is a kind of the transfer of mass from one point or from the one location to another point or the another location, and this concept is a very important just for the various purposes. Just we can see, we know that in our body, purification of blood in our kidneys and in our livers, in our liver just will exhibit the kind of the mass transfer. So it is an example of transfer of mass from one place to another, and so many different processes just we can see in the water vapor form, in the vaporization of water from the sea level or from the rivers, from the various other just reservoirs of water like the river, sea, or any other pond. The process of the water, the mass transfer occurs from one place to another. We know that here water just in the season of summer, water is evaporated and just goes to the water in the form of water vapors from the sea level to the atmosphere, and in various other processes the combustion or the vaporization form, and in so many processes segregation and doping, humidifying, and drying. So many examples can be seen in which the concept of the mass transfer just take place. Various chemical reactions are just exhibits that the transfer of mass, also with them along with the chemical reactions, mass transfer will also exist. So in the today's session we are going to discuss about all these just contents, and with this we are going to share some slides. So just we can see there the part of the applications is started for the mass transfer phenomena, and applications of mass transfers include dispersion of the contaminants, drying and humidifying, segregation and the doping in materials, vaporization and the condensation process in a mixture. So just all we know that these are the processes like segregation and the doping in the materials, vaporization and condensation processes in the mixture, evaporation, but boiling of a pure substance is not a kind of the mass transfer. Evaporation is an example for the mass transfer, but the case of the boiling of a pure substance is not just an example of the mass transfer. Combustion and most other chemical processes, cooling towers, sorption or at an interface, adsorption or in a bulk absorption, and most living matter processes as respiration in the lungs and at the cell level, nutrition, secretion, sweating. Just all these are showing the examples, the application parts of the mass transfer concept, the phenomena of mass transfers. So mass transfer is a very important part of this applied mathematics and physics, and we have seen so many examples which consist of the this phenomena. Now, a common process to separate a gas from a gaseous mixture is to selectively dissolve it in the appropriate liquid. So again, this is a kind of the mass transfer in which just a separation of gas is done from a gaseous mixture and is to selectively dissolve it in an appropriate liquid. This way, just we can understand in this way, we can take example carbon dioxide from the exhaust gases. The carbon dioxide from the exhaust gases can be trapped into the aqueous lime solutions, and when this carbon dioxide is just trapped in the aqueous lime solutions, then it will shows that a kind of the mass transfer phenomena. And the hydrogen sulfide is absorbed from the natural gas sources. Again, will show the just a kind of the mass transfer when water vapor is removed. So when water vapors are removed and the hydrogen sulfide is absorbed in the natural gas from the natural gas sources, just it will show the kind of the mass transfer concept. So many examples can be seen there, like stripping is the reverse of the absorption process, and that is the removal of the dissolved components in a liquid mixture. Distillation is the most important separation technique. So distillation is also a technique by which the separation can be done, and which shows a kind of the mass transfer. So here a reactor here a diagram is shown that which shows that a kind of the reactor, and in which just we can see the transfer of mass transfer is occurring there, and it is a process by the chemical reactions also, and just shows this concepts very clearly. So mass transform is concerned with the transport, and it is a main pillar part of the transport phenomena. So transport and reactions in a reactors are shown in that figure, and the concentration isosurfaces reveal mass transfer through diffusion and convection. So the concentrations isosurfaces reveal this kind of the mass transfer through the diffusion and the convection processes, and the diffusion means a process of the mass transfer where just it is done from the higher concentration level to the lower concentration level, and this is also by the process of convection where just heat transfer takes place along with the mass transfer. So convection means from the it will happen within the liquid, within the fluid, or within the just of the any just kind of the like objective where just heat transfer just take place is also example of mass transfer and heat transfer. The flux through diffusion takes place perpendicular to the concentration isosurfaces. That is, the reactions may cause a flux to the reaction site of the species that are consumed in the reactions. So these are processing just occurrence in the like a reactor. Convection creates a larger separation between the concentration isosurfaces and take place along the streamlines of the fluid flow, so which in some places run along the isosurfaces. So convection tends to eliminate concentration gradients along its main direction, and we can see there just by the process of the convection, elimination of the concentration gradients are just occurs, and will show a kind of the transfer of the or the transformation of the mass mass. So mass transfer is a very important part of this subject, the subject of the modeling and simulation of bioprocess. It's a very important subject because it consists of so many different conceptual part subjects, it is a part of the applied mathematics, physics, and the course of the bioprocess, and along with the chemical reactions, the chemistry is also included in the subject, with the part of mathematical approach, because mathematical approach is required for the further derivations and the further enhancement of the knowledge, and for the various examples to understand, and with the computer parts also, with the simulation and the software purposes. So this is the one part of the subject, the concept of the application part of mass transfer theory. So this is important part, and just we have taken so many examples today, and taken with the different conceptual parts, with some examples to understand this concept of mass transfer, and with the application parts. So students are advised to just command over these subjects, this topic, because this topic is having so many application parts of mass transfer, and is just it will give the knowledge of the daily processing examples, in which the mass transfer and the heat transfer take place. So students are advised to understand this topic, and understand this topic with concentration, with just the conceptual parts, and try to find as many application as possible, just because when you just see your application part yourself, then it will give you much knowledge of the subject, and you have to just practice over this topic, because it is an important part of the for the competitive examination purpose also. So so many examinations, in so many examinations, these kind of the questions with science based questions of heat and mass transfer, and the different questions of objective and descriptive questions can be made on these subjects. So students are advised to just to practice for such questions, and with this I conclude my today's session. Thank you.